Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error code 268. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. To resolve your issue, first access your desktop on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. Type appwiz.cpl in the search box to find the Roblox launcher or Roblox player. To uninstall Roblox, select the Roblox player. Click Yes and confirm if a notification appears. Repeat the process for any additional Roblox players. After uninstalling Roblox player, select the search box. Type %local app data % and press enter. Look for the Roblox folder in the local folder. To delete a Roblox folder, right-click on it and check if there's another folder with the name Roblox. If none, close the folder. Type cmd and run as administrator. Then yes. Execute the following commands. Type ipconfig /flushdns. Hit enter. Type again netsh winsock reset, then enter. Finally, type ipconfig /release. Press enter. Then type ipconfig /renew. Close everything. Restart your computer. Uninstall Roblox game after restarting. To resolve the 268 error code on Roblox, open the Roblox website and download it and try playing the game again. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.